Good evening. This is the homework check for September 11th, 2014. I'm going to walk you through. We did multiplication strategies today. We're doing great with our area models. A little bit shaky on our standard algorithm, so I'm going to walk you through the problems, show you what they should look like. So your first problem tonight, you had 45 times 67. And I'm going to do the standard algorithm first because that seems to be the place where we need the most help. So remember when you're doing your standard algorithm that you're starting with the ones place value. So we're going to start with the 7 and we're going to multiply the 7 by the 5 and the 7 by the 4. So 7 times 5 is 35. I'm going to write down my 5. I'm going to carry my 3 up to the top. I'm going to do 7 times 4 is 28 plus my 3 is 31. So that's my first step, is to multiply the ones by the ones. If it's a two-digit number, I have to carry my tens place over to the tens place, then multiply the tens times the ones, the 4 and the 7, and add, and that's where I get my 315. Okay, my next step is, remember I'm working with the tens, so in my next row I'm going to put a placeholder or a 0 in the ones column because I'm working with the tens. So I'm going to take the 6 in the tens spot, I'm going to multiply it by the ones and the tens. So 6 times 5 is 30. I'm going to put down my 0 since it's a two-digit number. I'm going to carry the 3 up to the top and 30. And then I have 4 times 6 is 24, plus that 3 is 27. So I'm going to put the 27 down at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead, add it up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 7 is 10. Put down my 0, carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my final answer, using standard algorithm, is 3015. If I use the area model, and I'm going to go through this one a little bit quicker, because again, you guys are excellent at doing this. So I'm going to take my problem, I'm going to draw my rectangle, and remember I'm going to break my numbers into place value. So I'm going to do 40 and 5, and 60 and 7. I'm going to multiply 60 times 40, so that's 24. And then I have 2 zeros, so I have 2,400. I'm going to do 60 times 5, or 6 times 5 is 30. I have 1 0, so I'm going to put that there. 7 times 4 is 28, the 7 and the 40. And then a 0 is 280. And then I have 7 times 5 is 35. In that bottom box, I'm going to take these, I'm going to put them all together. I'm going to add them up. And my final answer again is 3015. So you can see with both strategies, I got 3015 with both. Same answer, different strategy. They both get you to the same spot. So that was the first problem. Okay, your next problem, I'm going to go a little faster on this one. You have 65 and 47. So on your standard algorithm, you have 7 times 5 is 35. I'm going to put down my 5, carry my 3. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3 is 45. So again, just now I took the 7, the ones place, and I multiplied it by the ones and the tens. Okay, my next step is to do the tens. So I'm going to put a placeholder in the ones. I'm going to go 5 times 4 is 20. Put down my 0 of my 20. Put my 2 up top. 4 times 6 is 24, plus that 2 is 26. So I'm going to put down the 26 on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. Put down my 0, carry my 1. My final answer is 3055. If I use my area model, again, I'm going to draw my rectangle, square. I'm going to break my numbers apart. So I got 60 and 5. I have a 40 and 7. So 60 times 40, or 6 times 4 is 24, and I'm going to put in my 2 zeros. 7 times 6 is 42. I'm going to put in 1 0. 40 times 5 is 20. I'm going to put in my second 0. And 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, I'm going to take those four numbers now. I'm going to write them off to the side and add up all of the numbers I had as a product. So I have 2,400, 420, 235. I add them. I have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 4 plus 2 is 10. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. So my final answer, again, same on both problems. You know, different strategies, same answer. So the answer is 3,055. Okay. Next problem we have 31 times 98. So with standard algorithm, that's going to go 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. That's my first step. Second step, put my 0 down. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. I'm going to take them. I'm going to add them. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 9 is 13. Put down my 3, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 7 is 0. Carry the 1. And I have 3, so 3,038. Okay. Using area model, I'm going to draw my square or rectangle and label it 30 and 1, 90 and 8. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply. 3 times 9 is 27, 2 zeros. 3 times 8 is 24 with a 0. 1 times 9 is 9 with a 0. And 1 times 8 is 8. So my four factors are 2,700, 240, 90, and 8. So I'm going to take those four numbers and I'm going to add them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 9 is 13. Put down my 3, carry my 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 2 is 0. Carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So there again, I have my answer, no matter how you work it out, is 3,038. Okay? All right. Last problem for tonight for homework is going to be 29 times 66. Okay, so standard algorithm, you have 9 and 6 is 54. So you're going to put your 5 up top. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17. Okay. Second step, put down your 0. Remember, you're going to do your tens. So you have 9 times 6 is 54. Put down my 4, carry my 5. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. All right, and now I'm going to add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9. And then the 1, just bring it straight down. So my answer is 1,914. All right, as an area model then, I have 20 and 9. I have 60 and 6. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12. Add on the 2 zeros. 6 times 9 is 54. Throw on the extra 0. 2 times 6 is 12 plus a 0. And 6 times 9 is 54. So my four factors, or my four products, are 1,200, 540, 120, and 54. I'm going to take them. I'm going to add them up. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus, wait, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 5 is 11. Put down my 1, carry my other 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then my other 1. So my final answer is 1,914. I hope you guys got these all right. We'll go and keep working with this tomorrow in class. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow in class.